Well, it's been a while. I've finally got around to taking this whole truck down to bare metal. Basically, I used palm sander with like 60 grit, the SCT Eastwood's SCT sander, drum sander, that type of a bit I got from Harbor Freight that fits on there perfect. A lot of these 60 grit. There's a whole bunch of other ones, but at first I would take down the entire thing using the paint stripper, aircraft paint stripper. That one I made my tool myself so I can scrape out the seam sealer. And I found a few things on the truck. I have the corner over here. I guess you would call it the water well or whatever it's called there. There's some spots I have to get. Probably have to replace this. I'm not sure. It seems really solid, but I have to dig into it a little bit more. I have a little spot over here. Looks a little bit pitted. I gotta look at that a little closer. It's hard to see in this light, but I got a couple of divots here. It's nothing through, but I think I should replace it while I'm at it. But here's the inside of the truck. Have all the door pillars taken down. Everything you see here is a light coating of dust from everything else, but it's all going to look like, I'll show you. See how it's really dusty? But the entire truck is basically all taken down to nice clean metal. It's like a waxy coating spray on. I'll link it in the description there. I got it from Granger or Zorro. That's their online store. Still have a little bit over to get over here, which I'm not sure if it's a big deal. It's the inside of the truck. There's not one spot that you can see that I couldn't get the paint off. So as far as what rust I have a little spot in the floor, driver's side floor right here. I have a whole new driver's side pants, and it looks like it's been repaired once before. This is before I got it, so. And then the other side, it's a little bit pitting over there, and I think that it's a little bit of water built up from the spray. It's been patched on the passenger side over there. And let me just turn this thing. Got a whole bottom of the truck. It's all down to bare metal. See the water dripping? That's the rust proofing, water-based rust proofing. That's the passenger side floor there. Probably have to do a floor plan. Yeah, here it is. There's the hole. There's a hole here. A little hole here. So I'll probably place the whole driver's side, passenger side floor plan. This side, driver's side. I don't know if I'll patch it or replace this. Might just replace the whole damn thing. This right here was for a must have been for your fuel switch that they patched over. I removed the patch. There are a few spots I really couldn't get to in there, but it's clean enough. I'll probably end up getting there with wire wheel or something before I actually do all the priming. But for now, the winter time, it's just will stay this entire way. Let me roll it back over here so you can see the roof. Right now I have the roof, no gutters on it. It's just sitting on here. See how dirty it is? But it's right down to bare metal. I have it clamped on there roughly, and I'll probably end up replacing the LMC piece that goes the entire way on both sides. Let's see. And that's where I'm at for now.